Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix drafts missing on TikTok. To fix a missing TikTok drafts, check if you switch devices or uninstall the app, as drafts are stored locally on your phone, not in the cloud. So you can simply go ahead, and if you switch to a new phone, your drafts remain on the old device. Log back into the old screen to access them. Or if that doesn't work, then try to free up space. If that doesn't work, then try to free up space to resolve potential app glitches. If that doesn't work, then you can simply go ahead and open your app store and then simply go to the search bar. And once you are here, then you can simply go ahead and search for TikTok to ensure that you are using the latest version of the application. So it is as simple as that. If none of those work, then you need to simply contact TikTok support. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.